Hey everybody, so quick item haul from Walmart. It's a paint item I forgot to grab when I was there earlier, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so I ran out of acetone while I was painting or priming the frame right behind the front tires on the 2005 Excursion. So I figured, you know what, and I didn't show it in the video, but I'll talk more about it on part 2. But I went and grabbed some more acetone. I needed to go pick up some more exhaust pipe, different exhaust pipe size. And I went everywhere looking. I finally called my Napa dealer and they're like, yeah, we'll see what we can find for you. We can see in the book that it's a rare type of exhaust size. So, but you know, I'm looking for 2 5/8 inner diameter exhaust pipe, and it's not easy to find. But I went and picked it up, $16 from Walmart. For this acetone. It is a 1 gallon. The 1 gallon at Napa was like $37. This with tax was 17 bucks. And Clean Strip is the most popular acetone on the planet. It's probably one of the most well used, most requested brand of acetone. So I picked it up. I needed it anyways for the shop press, as well as a few other projects. But I figured I just, you know, already unboxing / paint haul. I'll put it as paint haul in the description. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Check out my Amazon affiliate links. Let me know if you guys like these little short videos. I appreciate you guys' time. Thank you for sticking around, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.